Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your language in Wise. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the language into your Wise, you cannot do that from the Wise application or the Wise settings directly. Now, in order to do that, in this case, you just simply have to hold your Wise for a moment and then tap to this I button. And it will lead you to the app information settings, and you will find this language option just below defaults. Tap to language options and then you can choose any of the suitable languages for you. And after choosing the language which you would like to set, then the language will successfully be saved into here. And after choosing the language, your Wise language will also be changed. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.